Hey guys, Dollar here. Beat Saber is probably one of the most popular VR games currently available. It's a game about cutting blocks in the correct direction in time to the music. But the base game itself has very few songs and very few levels. But a common thing for players to do is download and install custom mods that allow them to import any songs they want, which is what I'm going to be showing you how to do today. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the GitHub page of Mod Assistant, which will be linked below, and scroll down to where it says download here. Click that button and wait for the file to finish downloading. Now in order for this to work, you'll have to have run Beat Saber at least once, just so it's created all the necessary files. Then load up modassistant.exe and go to the settings page. Choose the folder where Beat Saber is installed. Then go to the mods page and click install or update. The default mods that Mod Assistant installs allows you to download songs from within the games as well as import custom levels. Go through the list of available mods on the Mod Assistant mods page and check the boxes for the ones you like. Then click the update and install button again. Now if you want to install custom levels not from within the game, go back into Mod Assistant, then to the options page and check the boxes for enable one-click installs for Beat Saber and Model Saber. Then go to bsaber.com, search for a song you want and click the one-click install button. This will open Mod Assistant and install the song automatically. You're now able to play custom songs from within Beat Saber. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, see you all next time.